how KGR analysis can be done using allintitle.co. And I assume that if you're on this video, you already are familiar with the keyword golden ratio concept, and you quickly just want to know what tools we provide at allintitle.co to facilitate the KGR analysis and KGR research for you. So basically, if you have your list of keywords, you're gonna just go ahead and go to our bulk checker and import your keywords into this field. That you can do it by just typing in your keywords or by just quickly copy pasting your keywords from any CSV or a spreadsheet file directly into this into this field. And then don't forget to use advanced settings to set your SERP locality, search engine, and search volume locality. As you can see, the options that we have here for all of them, and you can save this for later use, so that, for example, the next time that you come to the import page, into our bulk checker, whatever you add your keywords in, your new import's gonna use your saved settings in the future, so that if you use the same settings every time, so you don't need to change the settings every time. So just a quick tip that yes, search volume, that search volume changes based on the locality, the location that you set for it, and also Allintitle result changes based on the location that you set for your SERP pages. So here you can set any location, you can set any city, any location, any country, any zip code, and you can also do the bulk check for not only Allintitle. If you set it to Allintitle, it gives you the KGR value as well, but you can also do the bulk check for any other search operator that you see in this list. And the exact match feature that you see here can just if you select this, then then your keyword will be wrapped inside a quotation mark when the bulk check is gonna happen using our keyword explorer. So that was the first method. So if you go back to the dashboard, you're gonna see that we have all these tools here that you can use, and you can directly import your keywords from them into your bulk checker. So imagine you do not have a list of keywords and you have just a seed keyword. So you go to the keyword explorer, which is basically our keyword finder, that you can just type in any keywords here. I'm gonna search for example, Halloween, and then you can select your country and location, language, and then click on find keywords, and you will land on the result page. And from the result page, you will be able to select the keywords that you want to import to our bulk checker, and directly for example, I'm gonna select them from this Google Ads keywords tab, and then select bunch of keywords from related question phrases. These are the sources that those keywords were obtained from. And then related keywords, I'm gonna do, that these are, you can go to any of these tabs and just select the keywords that you have, any of these pages and any of the tabs that we have here. Alphabetical keywords, Bing Ads keywords, and then this interactive box here shows the number of keywords that you have selected, and then you can click on bulk check and send them to the bulk checker. So this was the method 2. If you have only a keyword and you want to find KGR compliant, kind of good KGR keywords for them, you just basically can search that in our keyword explorer and find the keywords, and then go ahead and select them to import them to the bulk checker. And our keyword explorer is a sophisticated, is a full-fledged keyword finder tool. I'm not going through it. It's going to be another video, but it has all these clustering features, all these charts and everything that we will cover in another video. So I'm going to go back to the dashboard, and on the dashboard now, so that was the method 2. The method 3 going to be using our people also ask tool. So we have a people also ask tool that you can click here on new term and search any keyword that you want. Again, you will be able to set the SERP locality, search volume locality, and the language. And then when you for example, this was the search that I did today. So then you will see all this list of keywords that has been extracted from not only Google. People also ask bugs in the SERP results, but also Bing in Yahoo. For example, you see that for this keyword we have gathered this keyword has been extracted not only from Google but Yahoo and Bing source. Yahoo and Bing is another source that we have. And you can go you can also see the search volume, CPC, and competition values for all these keywords. And you can also go to this diagram tab and then use this one, download it as a PNG. I'm not going through this, this is another thing that we will cover or has been covered in another video. But again, I'm trying to show you how you can use Allintitle.co for your KGR research. So I'm gonna select a bunch of keywords from here, and if there is a keyword that you want to extract more, people also ask a question for it, just go ahead and click on this plus sign. It's gonna search now this keywords on Google, Bing, and Yahoo and extract the people also ask questions for it. So after the processes are done, then you will see if there is any keyword in there is any people also ask keyword for this specific search term or search phrase, then it's going to appear under this after this process is done. But again, back to our main question, how we can select all these keywords, and then as you can see, these new keywords has been gathered for or extracted for this as the people also ask questions for the specific keyword from all these sources. Bing, Google, and Yahoo. And then so you can select bunch of these keywords here and then click again on bulk checker and send that to the bulk checker for KGR analysis. So this was another method. I think method 3. Now another thing that you can do, you can connect your Google Search Console to Google Search Console and then go to this Google Search Console tab on your Allintitle account. I'm gonna select a project here, so you can select a project, but this comes with the subscription. If you are using our pay-as-you-go method, you cannot access this page, but if you have a subscription, then you can also do this. So I can come here. All these keywords that you see here are imported from the Google Webmaster Tool for this specific website, so I can select them. And then again, you see the bulk checker here. I can do all kind of bulk analysis, like send it to the bulk checker for KGR analysis, check search volume, get search check search intent, get search volume, add to a list. So again, it's I'm not going to cover it. Cover everything that you can get here, but you see you can do things that you cannot do on basically on Google Search Console with our Google Search Console integration. It's you can do the clustering based on the entity or clustering based on lexical, and also you can run check their search volume, check their search intent. And again, in this video I'm gonna focus on the KGR analysis. You can select them here and click on bulk check, send them to the bulk checker for KGR analysis. And this was method 4. So another thing that you can do, you can just go to the keyword gap analysis feature that we have. From here you can just select a project, and then you can select the keywords. So you can just run a project, run a new project. But I had a project and I just want to quickly show you how this works. So I'm gonna select any kind of keywords that I want from different tabs here, and then I'll click on again bulk checker and send them to the bulk checker. And if you are wondering what the keyword ranking gap or keyword gap analysis, how you can run it for yourself, you can just click on new search, add your domain, and select a country, language, and then 4 of your competitors, and click on this button like check mark here. That's going to turn into blue as soon as you add your own domain and another competitor domain, and then it's going to run the like any kind of like then you can go to the project and then click on any of these tabs, missing keywords, gap keywords. I'm not going to explain this again because the focus is on how you can do KGR analysis. You can select any of these keywords, again, send them to the bulk checker. And if you have noticed, in all of these 5 tools or 5 places that I show you, we had this add to a list option too. So I can basically select these keywords and add them to a list, or create a new list here, like new list 2023, and then click on save, and then these keywords are going to add it to the new list. And then I can go to our list feature that is here, keywords list. Then I can filter for the new list that I just created, which was new list 2023, and then select them and then import them to the bulk checker from here. So this is another method. So with this, you can add keywords to a list from any of the tools that we have here. So you can have all of those keywords in one place and then import them to the bulk checker. So these were the 5 main methods that you can use Allintitle.co for your KGR analysis, KGR research. Either you have to directly import them to the, if either you have your list of keywords and you're gonna go ahead and directly import them to the bulk checker with the advanced settings, or you can use Keyword Explorer, people also ask tool, keyword gap analysis, or our integration with Search Console and Bing Webmaster Tool, and then import your keywords from any of those tools directly using our bulk checker interface. Bulk action interface that appear on bottom right side. And then another method was just use all of those tools, Keyword Explorer, people also ask tool, keyword gap tool, and integrations with Google and Bing Webmaster Tools, and then add your keywords from all of them into a list, and then go to the list, go to that list and import your keywords directly, again using our bulk action interface that appears on the bottom right side of any of the tools that you use. I hope this video could have been helpful to help you to understand how you can do the KGR analysis with Allintitle.co, and stay tuned for the future videos that I'm gonna create for all of these tools that we have here.